What up, what up? About to plant these seeds in my good old Jiffy seed starter. We're gonna do some Mary Jane, some flowers, and some food, you know. Yeah. What y'all doing on these rainy days? Springtime is coming, you gotta get prepared now. So when they get here, you already got something to put out there in the garden. Where my seeds at? I gotta get my seeds. Oh shit, don't mind that. We about to get on Twitch with it, man. We're gonna be on Twitch, man. I told you follow me on that Twitch. Merlin Hustler 6, I believe. We're gonna be on Twitch showing the tree, man. I always show the tree on there, but we're gonna show them planting the seeds today. Let them see how I do it. Give y'all a little autoflower update in a minute too. Little seed pods. Fill it up with water. They come flat. Fill them up with water and they just puff up. Put your seed in there. Put your top. Where the top at? For the greenhouse effect. Here go the seeds. You know all the seeds you're gonna need. See what the Mary Jane seeds looking like. Oh, you don't need to see all that, man. You don't see all that. Got some LSD auto flowers. Northern Lights. Auto. Everything feminized, man. I need a feminized. What's the other free one? Auto sour, these are feminized. 2 of those in there, you know. Then we got the 6-month plants. We don't just do autos. Get over here, stop. Get over here. Got some more, I gotta find them. The ones that I'm supposed to plant right now. Probably in a different bag. But yeah. About to do that right quick.